thanks for checking this out, Lost Mines. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's go and look for a mine. Back out exploring. There he is, drinking his hot chocolate.
This is nice.
Just finished work, haven't you, Jan?
Yeah, just come from the railway.
And look what we got. We're taking our ROV just over there.
In there.
Yes.
This is going to be good. Well, you've been in there before, haven't you? Years ago.
Yeah.
But I've not done this one before. And there's a flooded winds at the end, apparently. And we're going to send the old ROV down. And hopefully we oh, I've got a midge in my hot chocolate.
Oh no. Protein.
Yeah, crunch. And hopefully we shall find wonders.
Let's go and check it out.
That way.
Off we go. In there. This is going to be cool. So when I came in here a couple of years ago, the water was right to the top of my chest waders.
Yeah, it's always quite high.
But I remember it was pouring out of here.
Oh really?
And it's not.
We've had such a dry spell, haven't we? I'm hoping it'll be a lot shallower tonight because we've had, what, about a month really of virtually no rain.
Hardly any.
So hopefully we'll be in luck.
Here it is. And there we go.
Oh, there's coal.
Hey?
Coal. That's weird. Must have come from the old steam. They used to have a steam engine on the surface up here. So that's 120-year-old coal right there. Well, the coal itself is older, but mined out of the earth 120 years ago.
And there we're going.
Alright. Shall I go for it?
Let's check it out.
This is when I sink under the water.
Big spiders in the entrance. It's not as deep as it used to be.
Yeah, it's a lot shallower than it used to be. That's good. We picked a good time of year to come, I think.
Yep.
Yeah. It's very, very high, isn't it?
It's a cool level.
Yeah. Nice.
What's that?
I think it's a can, but it's sort of been cemented into the stones around it. It's not old, it's just stuff that's come down. Yeah, it's come down the shaft, yeah.
Lewis has found something here. It resembles a battery.
Oh yeah.
What is it though? I don't think it is. Oh, it is.
What is it?
I reckon it's a battery.
Oh yeah, so it is, yeah.
Anyway, let's go to the collapse.
Hey, around here, yeah?
And there we go.
Oh blimey, look at all this expanding polystyrene up here. Someone's reinforced it. Someone's reinforced it. How about that?
Oh, try to stop the leaks.
That looks a bit rude.
Why would they want to do that? That's pointless.
How bizarre. Yeah, I don't think the expanding polystyrene is going to stop that lot.
It's very bizarre.
Yeah. Look at that lump of gubbins right there.
Somebody's obviously opened this up. Years gone by.
Yeah.
Can I pass you this so you take it off me?
Yeah, sure. There you go.
Thanks. Long flooded level. It's going to be interesting what the ROV finds.
It is, isn't it?
Hopefully.
You said that the shaft at the end, it looks quite promising, yeah?
It does. So did the last one we went to see.
Yeah, don't mention that.
That looked very promising.
That was a swizz.
Yeah.
You want me to carry anything, or are you okay?
Here comes Lois. No, we're all good.
Nice one.
Some nice little hangers and stuff on the wall here.
Yeah. Well, this mine was open until 1923, so they actually had electricity in here, electric lighting. So we're kind of on the lookout for more modern stuff than what we used to.
Right.
Electric cable hangers, all sorts of kind of more modern equipment than what we used to.
So we've got a collapse to go through over here.
So this up here, I think, if it's where I think it is, under the surface, this was where the ore was actually raised to the surface to go through the dressing floor. Rather than take it all out and back up the hill again, they used to just raise it straight out this way so that it could go straight into the crusher.
Right.
And as you said, it sort of collapsed. So,
A big hole here, though.
I saw you stand up.
yellow pipe on the floor.
It's not cold in here. When I came in here a few years ago, it was freezing.
Oh.
It was winter. Oh look!
Oh wow, the water's been high. Look at that.
Look how high that was.
Whew. All the way up there.
Is that clay balls being stuck to the wall, isn't it?
Yeah, the water's kind of washed over and made them smooth.
Stemming.
Yeah. Yeah. There's another little bracket there. Oh, this is actually mounted in wood. That's interesting. Nail been hammered into the wood.
Through there we go.
Right. Yeah, so this is the old surface shaft. So there would have been kibbles here. They would have raised everything up to the surface this way to be processed. And then what we've just come through was only for access and drainage then. All the ore would have gone out that way.
Look at that piece of wood there.
Oh, yeah.
Been used for something.
Oh well. What's that underneath it? Oh, it's just glass or something. Yeah.
No, it's just found a broken door bottle.
Oh right, yeah.
Any writing on it?
That's what I was looking for. No, just a plain wood.
Oh, you're a bottle expert. I found a glass bottle in a mine the other day, and the collar, or the top if you like, was sort of an oblong shape with two dents in each side of it. Apparently you sort of snap the top off. It was a very weird thing. I've never seen anything like it before, and it had Roland's Aberystwyth on the side of it. And it was in a mine near here. But it had a very weird shaped collar with these two little dents on either side. Yeah, I'll send you a picture.
This is full of goodies, isn't it?
We've just found an old miner's toilet. Have a look at that. With the round toilet seat, just like a wooden box with the seat.
That is so cool.
That's amazing. Just put in the corner here out the way.
That's
incredible.
On a bottle.
Do you think somebody actually had a beer whilst they were on the toilet?
Quite possible.
Aberystwyth bottle.
An
that is.
Aberystwyth bottle, yeah.
Morgan and Co. Another one there.
Oh, wow. I love this. That's brilliant.
That is.
That's quite something. Jeez.
Cool.
This is weird. The shot hole goes backwards. They've obviously widened out the level at a later date because it was driven this way. But that's one big shot hole. They obviously had pneumatic drills in here.
They wouldn't have hand done that one.
No.
Not that long.
No. And the thickness as well.
So the level's widened up quite a bit.
It has, isn't it? This is big.
And we've been walking for some time now.
Yeah, we've definitely gone good 300 or 400 feet, haven't we?
Oh, there's another passage here, is there?
Kind of.
There's an old bottle in it. Look.
Oh yeah.
Oh, smashed. That's a shame.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Oh. W. Jones. H. Curtis.
That's got to be modern.
Yeah.
Miners have engraved it.
Oh,
They've got on.
Candle storage.
Yes.
1, 2, 3 candles all together and one on the wall. Lovely.
That is so cool.
You don't usually see them kind of piled up like that, do you?
I'm amazed they got them in here, to be honest, in the 20s.
Yeah.
They had a bit of electric, didn't they? And we come to a collapse.
Right.
So by here is the flooded winds.
So where is it?
Just to the right.
Whoa, look at that. Ooh, that's a winds.
Oh,
That's a winds.
look at that.
Wow.
That is amazing.
That is quite something, isn't it? Still got the head frame and the wooden kibble still hanging on the...
The base has fallen out, though.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Wow.
I'm more interested in what's down there.
Yeah, this is really the good stuff, isn't it?
So down there we're sending it.
That head frame hasn't got much longer. Look at that. It's splitting in the middle. You see that there's a big pulley
Yeah.
wheel at the top. And electric cables.
Oh,
running
yeah,
over
you
the
can tell
sides.
it's done.
Yeah.
There's a light bulb socket there.
Yeah, there's a light bulb socket, so they did have electric lighting at the top of the swings. You don't see that every day.
No, you don't.
Electric light bulbs underground in Wales.
No.
In this area of Wales.
Look at it, look at it.
Wow.
That is beautiful.
So when it was in use, it would have been wound over that pulley, and there would have been a compressed air winch mounted behind us that would have raised and lowered the kibble up and down the shaft. Wow.
Is it safe to cross, do you think, to see what's over there?
There's a plan to look alright. Do you want me to go up and have a look there? Yeah. Because it'd be easier to ROV from the other side, wouldn't it?
As long as you don't collapse. Yeah, they're solid.
Yeah. Oh, there's a really cool trap door here for the ladder, with a wooden handle on top, with a trap door. And this is the top of the ladder. Look.
Yeah, take the camera.
Yeah, that's the top rung of the ladder.
That's amazing.
Oh, that's cool. Look at this.
I can see the ladder.
Can you?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. So that there is the top rung of the ladder, and this is a trap door
Do you reckon it opens?
with a handle. Yeah, I think it does.
Be careful.
I don't want to break it. That's the only thing.
Don't break it.
No, I'm not going to risk it. But
I don't trust that W.
Eh?
I don't trust that W.
Yeah.
That's some weight, that wheel.
There is a bit, isn't there?
We can send the ROV through here.
Yeah, straight down there.